AI-powered Java. Summer Bootcamp 2025. In the AI-powered Java Summer Training Bootcamp by Horizon Trax, your learning journey is structured week by week to build real skills with confidence. In the first week, you'll get a strong grip on the basics, learning how Java works, writing your first programs, and understanding the core concepts like variables, loops, and logic. Week 2 introduces you to object-oriented programming, the foundation of real-world development, where you'll explore classes, methods, inheritance, polymorphism, and interfaces. As you move into Week 3, things get more advanced. You'll handle exceptions, dive into the collections framework, work with files, and get your first experience with multi-threading and basics of artificial intelligence. Then comes Week 4, where everything comes together. You'll build a complete Java application, connect it to a real database, and prepare for the future with resume building, interview guidance, and insights from industry professionals. It's a week-by-week roadmap designed not just to teach Java, but to launch your tech journey with practical, future-ready skills. Register now.